Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to approximate a square root of irrational number. To do so, you need a list of perfect square number that I listed in left side. I'll show you. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, therefore 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. They called perfect square. You need this perfect square to complete your job here. So let us start with an example. That we are going to see what is the square root of 38. So 38 compared with this table that you have, the list that you have, the perfect square less than 38 is 36. I show you here is 36, yeah? So therefore less than 38, the perfect square is 36. The square root of 36, everybody knows that it is 6. So as a result, 38 is approximately is 6 and something, which is more than 6. To find that more than 6, we need a fraction, 6 and something. To find the numerator and denominator, you need to follow 2 steps. First step is just double 6. So 6 times 2 would be 12. The number should sit in denominator. And then subtract these two numbers. 38. Subtract two numbers. 38. Take away 36, which is 2. This number should sit on top. So therefore, root of 38 is approximately 6 over 12. But the question asking you to estimate it to the nearest hundredth. So as a result, you have to change this fraction to the decimal. To do so, first reduce your fraction. As you see, 2 over 12 can be reduced. What number can go to top and bottom evenly? 2. So if I divide top and bottom by 2, I will get a new fraction which is reduced of this fraction. So 2 divided by 2 would be 1, and 12 divided by 2 would be 6. So as a result, root 38 is approximately 6 and 1/n over 6. But you have to change it to fraction. Last step is just divide top by bottom. 1 divided by 6. Okay, let's do this long division. How many 6 goes to 1? Nothing. You need the decimal point and 1 0 which is exists after decimal point. Now you have 10. How many 6 goes to 10? Just once. 1 times 6 would be 6. Subtract would be 4. How many 6 goes to 4? Is it impossible? It's impossible, so you need another 0. Bring it down would be 40. How many 6 goes to 40? 6 times. 6 times 6 would be 36. Subtract would be 4. Because you have hundredth decimal place, so you don't need to continue the long division. So you're ready to answer the question. Therefore, root of 36 is approximately 6.16. Therefore, as a result, I can say root of 38 is nothing but approximately 6.16. So, okay, let's do another example. Yes, we are going to see what is there. Okay, just a minute please. What is the root of, let's say, 71? So the perfect square less than 71 is 64. So less than 71 is root of 64. What's the root of 64? Everybody knows the root of 64 is 8. So therefore root of 71 is approximately 8, but more than 8. is more than 8 should be represented as a fraction. Again, you need 2 steps. First, double the 8, the root that you find. 8 times 2 is 16, should sit in denominator. Then subtract these two numbers. Subtract 71 and 64, you will get 7. This number should sit on top. Let's change the color. 7. Okay. Next step, look at the fraction. You don't need to reduce it because you can't reduce it. So therefore, jump to the last step, which is dividing numerator by denominator. So let's do that here. I need to divide 7 numerator divided by denominator, which is 16. How many 16 goes to 7? Impossible. You need decimal sign and then 1 0 here. Okay. How many 16 goes to 70? By trial and error, you will see 4 times. Let's try it. 4 times 6, 4, 64. Yes. Subtract, it would be 6. How many 16 goes to 6? If possible, limit at 0. Bring it down. How many 16 goes to 60? By trial and error, you will see 3 works. 3 times 16 would be 48. Should I continue the line division? No, because you reach to the hundredth decimal placement. So therefore, you can estimate here. As a result, therefore, root 71 is approximately 8 point and point what? 0.43. So therefore you can conclude that 71 is approximately 8.43. So okay, last example. Let's see what would be the square root of, let's say, 125. 125 less than 125, and compare with the list that you have here. The perfect square less than 125 is 121. So therefore, less than that is root of 121. What's the root of 121? Obviously 11. So approximately 125 is approximately 11 and something. To find numerator and denominator, again, double the 11. 11 times 2 would be 22. Denominator, then subtract numbers. 125, take away 121. It would be 4, obviously. That one should sit on top. Therefore, can I reduce this? Yes, obviously you can reduce. So let's say reduce, it would be 11. Now if I reduce my fraction here, 2 can goes to both evenly. 2 by 2 would be 4 by 2 would be 2, and 22 divided by 2 would be 11. So therefore my fraction or my mixed number is nothing but 11, 2 over 11. Last step, you need a long division. Let's do long division here. I need to divide numerator by denominator, 11. How many 11 goes to 2? Nothing. So you need decimal point top and bottom, 0. How many 11 goes to 20? Once. Yes, if you subtract, it would be 9. How many 11 goes to 9? Nothing. You need extra 0. Bring it down. Make 9 become 90. How many 11 goes to 90? Obviously 8 times. 8 times. 8 times 11 would be 88. subtract 2. Should I continue? It's optional. You can continue and then round it, but as a teacher, I always ask my students to stop here because they are not going to find the exact value. They are going to find the approximation. So as a result, this up to here would be enough. So now you are ready to answer the question. Root of 125 is approximately 11 and 11.18. So therefore, you can conclude that root 125 is approximately 11.18. This is final answer. Yes, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please kindly share, like, and subscribe to make this video more accessible for other students as well. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck, all of you.